Do you have any doubts about how to use the conditional simple tense? Let's dive into this important grammatical concept together. The conditional simple is used to describe actions that are dependent on a condition. It expresses what would happen if a certain condition is met. For example, if I had more time, I would travel the world. The form of the conditional simple is subject plus would plus base form of the verb. For example, she would help you if she could. The short form is created by contracting would to d. For example, he'd study languages if he wanted to. To form the negative, add not after would. For example, we would not lie to you. The short form of would not is wouldn't. For example, she wouldn't leave without saying goodbye. To form questions, invert the subject and would. For example, would they come if we invited them? Affirmative form. She would watch this movie. She'd watch this movie. Negative form. She would not watch this movie. She wouldn't watch this movie. Interrogative form. Would she watch this movie? If this video was useful to you, please consider offering a super thanks to help our channel. Thanks for watching.